Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa for a 6-month-old baby. First, measure out 1/4 cup of quinoa. It's crucial to rinse it very well under cold water using a fine mesh sieve. This removes saponins, which can taste bitter and cause an upset stomach. Soaking for about 15 minutes can also aid in digestion for little ones. This simple step ensures a pleasant first experience. Now let's cook it. Combine your rinsed 1/4 cup of quinoa with 1/2 cup of water in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. The goal is for all the water to be absorbed, leaving you with fluffy, tender grains. Once cooked, let the quinoa cool down a bit. For a 6-month-old, a smooth texture is key. Transfer the cooked quinoa to a blender or food processor. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of breast milk or formula to help achieve the right consistency. Blend until it's a very smooth, thin puree, free of any lumps. This makes it easy for your baby to swallow. When serving, start with a small amount, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons. Always check the temperature to ensure it's lukewarm, not hot. Introduce new foods slowly, watching for any signs of allergies. Leftover quinoa puree can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. You can also freeze small portions for later use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.